How to fix Spotify Wrapped not showing on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Spotify Wrapped not showing on Android or iOS phone. First thing you need to do here is to go to settings and now scroll all the way down until you find here storage. Now click clean up, make sure you have enough space. After that just go back and go to Play Store, and here just see if there's an update here and update your Spotify. And if you can't find any update, then click uninstall and install it again, and that's it. And then just restart your phone, turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and go to settings, apps, and then apps again. Now type here Play Store and click clear cache, and now just go back, maybe you'll find an update here. And that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.